Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve web design with Squarespace, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on Squarespace. Visit the Squarespace website and click on Get Started. Select a template that fits your vision or industry. Once you've chosen a template, click on Start with this design. Review the template options and see how they align with your needs. Enter your website title in the space provided. Navigate to the home page settings to customize the layout. Add pages by clicking on Pages from the left-hand menu. For each new page, select a layout that suits the content you want to display. Customize each page by clicking on it and using the editing tools available. Add images by clicking on the image block and uploading files from your device. Incorporate text by using the text block and pasting or typing your content. Adjust font styles and sizes to enhance readability and aesthetic appeal. Use the Design tab to modify site-wide styling elements like colors and fonts. Explore the Site Availability section to determine if your site will be public or private. Consider integrating a blog by adding a blog page to share updates and engage visitors. Utilize the built-in SEO tools by navigating to the Marketing section to boost search visibility. Preview your website to see how it looks on desktop and mobile devices. Make necessary adjustments based on your preview review for optimal user experience. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your website live. Monitor website performance from the Squarespace Analytics dashboard. Utilize feedback and analytics to continuously refine your design. Stay updated with Squarespace tutorials for ongoing improvements and new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.